Tomorrow night, it will be mostly cloudy with a low of 74. The wind will stay at around 7 miles per hour. Thursday, it will be overcast with a high of 85. The wind will fluctuate from as low as 5 miles per hour to 14 miles per hour. Thursday night, it will be mostly cloudy with a low of 70. The wind will stay at around 8 miles per hour. Now we move to the current alerts for the Brooklyn area. There are 2 weather alerts in effect. Special weather statement. Elevated fire weather concerns from today until next Monday. Relative humidities of 15 to 20%, high temperatures, and winds stretching from 5 to 15 miles per hour are expected across New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. No rainfall is expected for the next week, which is a large factor in the conditions. Use caution when igniting or handling igniters. Air quality alert. An air quality alert has been issued until Thursday. The New York Department of Environmental Protection has issued a code red air quality alert until Thursday, including the New York City area. A code red air quality alert means that concentrations of air pollution may become unhealthy for the general population. Avoid outdoor exercise or strenuous activities during the time. No hazardous weather outlooks are in place, as there is no threat of any hazardous weather. However, a fire weather watch could be set into place. Now we go to the forecast for the next 3 days. Tonight, it will be clear with a low of 73. The wind will stay. Wind will stay at about 7 miles per hour. Thursday, it will be overcast with a high of 85. We interrupt this forecast to bring you a new alert. The National Weather Service in New York City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, New York County in southern New York, western Queens County in southern New York, Bronx County in southern New York, northern Kings County in southern New York until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 1 mile north of Cranford or 9 miles southwest of Newark, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60.
This station is currently off the air. Please tune in to other channels to get the information you need. This station is currently off the air. Please tune in to other channels to get the information you need. This station is currently.
Every person listening to the station, please pay attention. This station, KWO 35, will be permanently off the air. A significant malfunction has occurred, and it is unfixable. However, the station is not the only one. WXM 80 in Riverhead, WWH 35 in Cooperstown, WNG 541 in Frewsburg, WXN 55 in Mount Washington, and WXL 31 in Syracuse will also permanently sign off due to a similar malfunction. We are bewildered by what has caused this malfunction. However, our probable reason is that due to the nearby fires, wires have been set ablaze, destroying the stations. Now we will cut off connection to all weather radios in Brooklyn, Cooperstown, Frewsburg, Mount Washington, Riverhead, and Syracuse. Tune in to other channels to acquire information you need. And now for the current temperatures across the covered area. In New Jersey, it was 75 in West Orange. It was 76 in Orange, Plainfield, and Roselle. It was 77 in Belleville, Fort Lee, Livingston, Milburn, and Passaic. It was 78 in Clifton, Paramus, and Rahway. It was 79 in Hackensack, Ridgewood, and Roxbury. It was 80 in Bloomfield, Elizabeth, Elmwood Park, Irvington, Jefferson, Lodi, Nutley, Summit, and Teaneck. It was 81 in Bergenfield, Maplewood, Parsippany, and Scotch Plains. It was 82 in East Orange, Fairlawn, Montclair, and Westfield. It was 83 in West Milford. It was 84 in Cliffside Park and Garfield. It was 87 in Cranford, Hillside, Lyndhurst, North Plainfield, and Wayne. It was 88 in Linden, Mahwah, Montville, Mount Olive, and Patterson. It was 89 in Englewood, Morristown, Palisades Park, and Randolph. It was 90 in Newark. In New York, it was 75 in Curious Joel. It was 76 in Palm Tree and Spring Valley. It was 77 in Montgomery. It was 78 in Muncie. It was 79 in Middletown and New Windsor. It was 80 in Newburgh. It was 81 in Clarkstown. It was 83 in Haverstraw and Ramapo. It was 84 in Monroe. It was 86 in Orangetown. It was 89 in New City and Warwick. It was 90 in Wallkill. In Pennsylvania, it was 76 in Slateford. It was 77 in Easton and Sidersville. It was 80 in Buttstown and Catellin. It was 81 in Klecknersville. It was 82 in Schoonersville. It was 84 in Chickentown, Christian Springs, Newburgh, and Zucksville. It was 85 in Flicksville, Franks Corner, and South Bethlehem. It was 86 in Colville, Hollow, and Treiklers. It was 87 in Beersville and Wassergasse. It was 88 in Morristown. It was 89 in Mount Bethel. It was 90 in Berlinsville, Emanuelsville, and Hanoverville. And now for the current. This station is permanently signing off. A malfunction has occurred beyond our control. However, WXM60 in Howell Township, WXJ42 in Meriden, Connecticut, and KHB47 in Montville, Connecticut are also experiencing this, as well as several transmitters in New York, and the cause of this is still unknown. All connection to weather radios will be cut now. Tune in to other channels and transmitters to get the information you need. We apologize for the long pause in broadcasting. We can now return to normal programming. Currently in San Francisco, it's 91 degrees and cloudy. It felt like 93. The wind was moving east at 15 miles per hour. The pressure was 29.81 and dropping. Currently in Oak We apologize for the inconvenience. We are experiencing a malfunction that has been occurring across the nation. Because of the unknown causes, we will not take any chances remaining on the air. This television station in Nashville will be cut from any reception to the viewers. Goodbye. This station is permanently being kicked off the air. Something is causing a malfunction, and it is causing several other permanent outages as well. All stations in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and South Dakota will also be shutting down permanently. Tune in to another state station for more information. We cannot display any programming as the malfunction has hit us as well. However, we have not been forced to go off the air for good. One thing we do know is that this is the doing of a natural disaster. We are unsure of what disaster, as NASA, along with other facilities, are working to figure that out. As of now, we have no information to provide. Speaking of, we now have new information. The natural disaster causing this has never occurred before. The ground under North America is building up due to pressure and eventually will break and cause the Earth to have a large hole in it, most likely rendering part of the Earth, if not all of it, uninhabitable. So our current information known is that this is the last remaining station available and that the ground under us is slowly building up pressure and will eventually cause all of North America to perish. We do not know exactly when it will happen. We do not have any more information. The following message is transmitted to every television using a backup transmitter and is requested by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. In less than 5 minutes, the North American continent will blow up due to pressure building up from underground. There is no saving the continent. Remain calm in your final moments. We are unsure if there will be enough fragments to where they make the rest of Earth uninhabitable. We appreciate your cooperation with us for the 248 years of this nation's existence, but it will no longer be here. We will sign off for the final time in the United States of America. All TVs, radios, phones, and computers will permanently shut down. Thank you.